Okay. So first of all, I would like to thank Trap Boys for that initiative for them promoting the DAGBON Venyelenga.
Okay.
Then our reason for being part of the health work manyala the member one Liu.
Leo.
Yeah, he's a key member of YAARO Fitness Club.
Wow.
And the more like the important aspect of YAARO Fitness, so no member of YAARO Fitness, we come as all support with all our hearts.
Wow.
So Leo to me invite, I said no. As far as he's part of the organization,
Yes.
we have to come out and support fully.
Okay.
So this is what the base one that actually want to support it.
So now I'm gonna show up on
Yes, I can embark on the program. And all in all, like I've enjoyed the program, like with exercise, circulation miles going on.
no come to Bashir.
Yeah, like one thing about like Trouble is like they always promote that man. Yeah, with even like unwatchable chant shows, group promotion, all their costumes about that man. And initiative from one they reminded me about Damba always. I was sorry about Bomb always. So this is the part but no activities man. It brings everybody mind back to what is happening next. Then Bomb festival man. So I encourage Trouble not to give up. And I'll encourage like investors in Kamale to always come out and support you. But like look at it in your shama, like it's okay, but I've not seen a lot of sponsorship. And we have big companies, like we have thriller industry, like a lot of industries in Tamale, companies, but they travel. So I'll urge all of them next time. We have to support Child Boys with this initiative, ma. They try to promote the far. And I think now, at least we should have get some refreshment for everybody.
Yes.
But we are not seeing any.
Okay.
So I will encourage like companies, ma.
Last question, you know, from the fitness for you are laughing, I know can't come yellow pull. And Pahamantul educating the Bumas and Kana ten number shots for that fan and Nerbuma.
Yeah, like fitness, like is very important in our life.
Okay.
Like man, like this, I used to fall sick every year, but since I joined YAARO Fitness, that was 2024.
Wow.
Till date, like I'm imagining Badru. But then like a yearly routine every year, I have to fall sick either within months money.
Okay.
But since the joining YAARO Fitness 2024,
Alright.
I've never fall sick. Like Bacon Kitchen Hospital, like to the and YAARO Fitness me, like coach ma, what training ma is very effective.
Okay.
And I just want to give advertisement jala to YAARO Fitness. YAARO Fitness jala fitness shele like I can register.
Okay.
A lot of them behind. Yeah. Within 2 months, I cannot like consecutively cannot training ma. And the board of Shama and yelling. So I encourage everybody to be like work as a tough money and to monthly payment to be 150 a month.
Alright.
So I encourage everybody to come out, register YAARO Fitness.
Okay.
Can you fitness back?
Okay.
Thank you.
That's right. YAARO Fitness Damleka, KFTV Ghana.